So it can really help. But the other one, of course, is places, which I really do like. Let's start out with the images that we have. Now, these are images right here from this one. I'm going to shift click all the way down on this one. I'm not going to select these two, just these right here. They were all taken in Old Town in Wichita, Kansas. Now, Old Town is kind of like a reconstructed cowboy kind of town, and I know where that is, but I don't know where it is on the map. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to select them all, shift click, and I'm going to come down here and say Add Places. That's going to take me to the map, and I can search the map here based on the images I see right up here. So I'll go in here and I'll type in Old Town, comma, Wichita, Kansas, and see if it finds it. Actually, it did. Old Town, Wichita, Kansas. Now, it assumes that that's where I want to put the images that I have selected, and that's exactly what I want to do. But then I realized something. I think, well, wait a minute. Those weren't taken in Old Town. That was something else. They were taken in the auditorium at Century 2. The only reason I'm mentioning that is assuming something like that happened. Century 2 is not up there. I can't search for it. I tried, but I can see it right here. I could actually move them there if I wanted to. But assuming that's the right one, I mean, we're looking at a physical map taken from a satellite. You can find it either by typing it in or actually just moving to it. But if I say place it here and click that button, all those images now are geocoded to that physical location in Wichita, Kansas. It's pretty cool when you think about it. Now let's click Done down here. And let's go into, this time, let's go into Places right here. Now in Places, if we have these images right here and we show media visible on the map, you can see it's taking us directly there. But if I click this button over here that says Add Places, it will bring up all the other images that I have and have not placed yet. Now, let's say this was taken in the Sedgwick County Zoo, and that's in Wichita, Kansas. Sedgwick County Zoo, Wichita, Kansas, search. And again, since I do have that one selected, it's saying, well, do you want to put that one there? And I do. So I'll click here. As you move through this, what you can do, again, this is just one more thing. If your images are already geocoded, they will automatically be on the map. If you have a camera that shoots geocoded images, when you open this up, they will already be there for you. But if they're not, and I suspect a lot of us probably don't have a lot of images that are geocoded, if they're not, this is how you place them onto this map. Again, we can scroll it way down here and see the big picture, as they say. You've got the whole planet here, everywhere that you want. If this was taken in, well, it was Stonehenge. Tell you what, let's see if I can find that. And there it is. And yes, I do want to place this one, though. If you travel, no matter where you travel, and you have the ability to do this, this can really save you time in locating images. It's just one more factor, if you will, in finding what you need. Being able to find them directly on, let me go ahead and click Done, on a physical map of the planet. That's pretty cool.